Now, I came across this tool also we were discussing today, me and Anmol, and this is called Zero GPT.
Yeah.
It kind of detects AI plagiarism. Like, isn't that cool? And like, I think their revenue sources ads, because I can see a lot of ad, it's free. But
Yeah.
how do they do that? Like, I was just wondering, how do they do that? How do you detect AI generated content?
I don't know. Maybe they have trained it
I,
on AI generated content itself, but
I have no idea. But the guy who made this came in January only, like 1 month after OpenAI launched ChatGPT.
okay.
Yes.
So it's not that it's very new.
Okay. And it's a fine-tuned LLM trained on like common ways like ChatGPT or Bard or other major LLMs, right? Content and identify them. But it's really hard. How do you differentiate between two sentences, right? It's really hard to do that. But of course, if it is there, of course, there will be some value, or maybe not. Maybe it's just a wrapper or something.
So I was talking to some marketing guys that I know regarding this content generation through AI. So they told me that there's something called the spam score. So Google also, so there's one domain authority, right? Everybody knows DA. There's also something called the spam score. So if you are doing wrong things, even if your DA is increasing, but but when Google is penalizing you, the spam score increases. So if the spam score is very high, then it's very hard to get your DA up. Like in the long term, again, it's very harmful for you.
It's every now and then we also keep hearing, right, from a lot of bloggers specifically, that Google just released some kind of new search engine, right, update, and all of their traffic just went away. A day before they were receiving 10,000 hits every like hour, and now they are not receiving any of them. So, like Google can take you by chance, like any time, if you try to beat them.
If you just type in Google new algorithm changes, so you have to be on top of it. Like even the websites would lose all the traffic if you are not compliant with the new Google algorithms. So they give these algorithms these random names: hummingbird, panda, caffeine.
Back in the day when I was used to blog, right? It's about in 2013 or something. And at that point of time, Google used to release algorithm updates every year, or maybe like twice in a year. And it was like a long process, and it used to give people time to build over things and also recognize patterns. But I guess now Google is so fast; they are releasing an update every other month. So it's really hard for people to just cheat them based on these cheap tactics like using AI thing to just game the system.
Yep.
I mean, it is popular, right? Then, like, people are searching for AI detectors. There will be deepfake detectors. There will be AI voice detectors. So there will be so many detectors in the future, and I think it's a good opportunity to. But I don't know how to detect it. That's a tech problem. But if someone can figure it out, I think that's a good option. No.
Yep.
Probably. See, the rank is 15.
Can we see their traffic? 5.1 billion monthly visits.
That is why they are monetizing through ads.
Yep, and
now
it was 2023 only.
Yeah.
So probably educational institutes would be a big market for them.
Everyone will use it. Yeah.
Educational content writers, agencies, I guess everyone is using them. Right?
And if Google does penalize for AI generated content, then this will become a necessity. Like you can't trust any content writer then. Whatever your team, you will have to check it. So it's a good. I just don't understand. Like there should be a deep learning algorithm to test it.
I guess the honesty has gone out of the window since the time that ChatGPT has came in. Like you used to have, like you used to pay 5,000 to an intern to write you like good articles for your business. Now that intern just goes in ChatGPT and doesn't put any effort and gives you everything copy pasted. So guys, I guess that's the problem.
Yep.
No, for general content, maybe it still flies, but where you are penalized for it, like Google is penalizing for it, or probably a college essay,
like tools like content generation tools like ChatGPT or any other that are built over it. I guess they are good tool to help you generate content, but you cannot 100% rely on them, right? Maybe use them to generate a paragraph, then rephrase it. Maybe put your original insight into it, right? Not just copy paste whatever general thing that it throws to you.
Yeah, yeah. But I think we'll explore this probably on how to detect AI generated content and all, and maybe we can have another episode on this. Yeah.
That's a new interesting space, right? Like detect deepfake, detect content generated by AI, detect voice cloning,